remember,
This is the
there are
wiggly
only people
part.
with money. Although we serve them, we are not their servants. What we do in this Ventura does not define who we are. What defines us is how well we rise after falling. I think you'll make a wonderful manager someday. And it's been my great honor to have worked with you.
Look at that boo-boo of mine.
Marissa, Caroline, Marissa, I don't know what's happening here. Marissa. I don't get it. What just happened? What don't you get?